Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to English class. Today we will study English Pre-Primer, chapter number 6, Sounds of vowel O. Doll, hop, cot, pot, road, note, top, log, fork, god, odd, cot, a cot, og, dog, a dog, all, doll, a doll, ob, top, a top, onk, monk, a monk, og, log, a log, ox, box, a box, ox, fox, a fox. For the teacher, ask the children about the short sound of O and insist them reading the names of the things given in the picture loudly. Phonic drill. No more words with O sound. Odd, oat, goat, note, rod, cord, pod, og, log, fog, dog, hog, cock, frog, all, doll, roll, ball, ball and roll, scroll, up, top, pop, knob, hop, drop, cop. This is the picture of top. This is the picture of cot. This is the picture of frog. Let us learn. Pat has a pot. The pot is hot. The pot has a dot. Dad is near the pot. The doll is on the cot. The cot is big. Do not sit on it. You can fall. This is a log. It has a dog. The dog sits on the log. Let's do the exercise. Read and write. 1. Look at each picture and fill in the blanks with vowel O. C-O-T, cot. This is the picture of dog. D-O-G, dog. This is the picture of top. T-O-P, top. This is the picture of fox. F-O-X, fox. This is the picture of box. B-O-X, box. This is the picture of log. L-O-G, log. 2. Let us read. Todd has a pot. Todd has pots. He puts the pot in the pot. The pot was hot. I hope you enjoy learning.